Hey there, chefs! Today, I'm going to walk you through the ultimate guide to food safety in restaurants, updated for 2025. Keeping your kitchen safe and clean isn't just about avoiding fines. It's about making sure your customers leave happy and healthy. Let's dive in. First up, safe food handling. It all starts with washing your hands. Make sure your staff wash their hands for at least 20 seconds before and after handling food. Use gloves and utensils properly, and always avoid cross-contamination. That means using separate cutting boards for raw and cooked foods. Easy, right? Next, let's talk proper food storage. Cold foods should be stored below 40 degrees Fahrenheit and hot foods above 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Label everything with preparation and expiration dates and use the FIFO method, that's first in, first out, to keep your stock fresh and avoid spoilage. It's a simple system that works wonders. Sanitation and cleaning are also key. Clean and sanitize kitchen surfaces, utensils, and equipment regularly. Establish a cleaning schedule that everyone follows and implement proper waste disposal and pest control practices. A clean kitchen is a safe kitchen. Temperature control is another biggie. Cook meat to safe internal temperatures and regularly check and record food storage temperatures. Ensure proper cooling and reheating of foods to keep harmful bacteria at bay. Remember, if in doubt, throw it out. Now let's move on to food safety standards. Follow FDA guidelines for food handling, preparation, and sanitation, especially for non-meat products. Adhere to USDA guidelines for meat, poultry, and egg products. And don't forget to comply with local health department regulations. They can vary depending on where you are. Maintaining food safety is an ongoing process. Provide regular training for your staff on food safety guidelines and practices. Conduct internal audits regularly to ensure compliance with food safety standards. And keep detailed records of cleaning schedules, temperature logs, and staff training. These records are your best defense against any issues. So there you have it, chefs, the ultimate guide to food safety in restaurants for 2025. Keep these practices in mind, and you'll keep your kitchen running smoothly and your customers coming back for more. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.